Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the visual and audio assets you want in the screensaver and by picking the right tool. Use optimized images and short videos to prevent lag. Smaller files mean smoother playback and less memory use. Once chosen, set your target platform, Windows, Mac OS, or web, and create a new project. Make sure to define the trigger, idle time, or manual launch, and basic timeline so you can test early and avoid rebuilding major parts later. Now you construct the core logic: idle detection, resource management, and animation flow. You implement efficient loading so textures stream when needed and free memory afterward. This reduces crashes and preserves battery. Use a main loop that handles timing, easing functions, and transition blending to keep motion smooth. Also add simple input handling so mouse or key events exit cleanly. Once done, profile CPU/GPU usage and adjust update rates or resolution to hit your performance targets. To finish, package and sign your screensaver appropriately for the platform and create an installer or executable. Test across displays, aspect ratios, and when the system wakes from sleep. These reveal timing or resource issues. If something breaks, consult runtime logs, reduce texture sizes, and temporarily disable heavy effects to isolate the cause. Make sure your installer respects system permissions and provides an easy uninstall. Finally, gather feedback, fix remaining bugs, and release incremental updates to improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.